In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Audiomack not playing. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you could also try restarting your router. Then the second thing you want to try to do is simply check if the servers are up and running. You can go to Audiomack on downdetector.com, and once you've done that, if there is an outage, you'll have to wait for the issue to be resolved. You can also try closing and reopening the application, which should go ahead and help you solve the problem. If it doesn't, if you're on an Android, simply try clearing your cache by going into settings, apps, Audiomack, and storage, and click on clear cache. If you have any updates pending either on your App Store or Play Store, simply go ahead and update your application, and also check these permissions on your application as well. If nothing works, try restarting your device or even reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.